Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad success with CIEE Work Travel USA beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase your study abroad success with CIEE Work Travel USA, start by understanding the program's benefits. Research the variety of cultural exchange opportunities available through CIEE. Make a list of the skills you want to develop during your stay. Visit the official CIEE website for detailed information on application requirements. Prepare and organize all necessary documents, including your passport and visa. Create a compelling resume that highlights your relevant experience and skills. Craft a personal statement that reflects your goals for the program. Submit your application early to ensure you meet all deadlines. Once accepted, carefully read the terms and conditions of your program. Connect with other participants via online groups or forums. Consider budget planning for your stay, including accommodation and daily expenses. Think about possible cultural adaptation strategies before your arrival. Research the area where you will be living and working. Familiarize yourself with local customs and traditions. Attend any pre-departure orientation offered by CIEE. Pack wisely, including appropriate clothing and essential personal items. Keep an open mind and be ready to embrace new experiences upon arrival. Stay proactive in seeking out networking opportunities during your program. Participate actively in cultural activities and excursions. Document your experiences through journaling or blogging. Seek feedback from mentors or peers to continuously improve. Reflect on your experience regularly to gauge personal and professional growth. Ensure you follow all rules and regulations related to your visa. Engage with locals to enhance your cultural immersion. Upon returning, update your resume to include your international experience. Leverage your study abroad experience to enhance future educational and career opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.